Hello EDU 410, this is Jared, and I wanted to post an overview video for Module 3 because this module looks a little bit different than the two modules that have preceded it. One way that this module is different is that it's actually going to take 2 class periods to complete, so it's going to extend throughout the entire week. And the second major way, and this is probably most important, is that on Wednesday we are actually going to be meeting in small groups together via WebEx conferencing in order to simulate a middle school team meeting. Okay, and so I do just want to pull up really quickly here our online transition schedule and remind you that as we're getting into Module 3, you are going to have assignments that are required of you each day, but you will also have some ongoing assignments as well. Okay, and so after Module 3, I'm going to expect that you would upload the note sheet, and that's pretty similar to what we have done in Modules 1 and 2. And in addition to that, you will each be responsible for one team document. The 5 of you will divide the work 5 ways, and so you will have one particular document that you will also upload into coursework on MyUSF. While all of that is happening, I'm still expecting that you would be reading through the chapters that are assigned, and you would either be completing the quizzes or the forum responses that I'm asking of you to do. As we proceed forward, you have been divided into colored teams. Those are available down here so that you know which team you are a member of. And I have tentative dates scheduled, or times rather, for each of those team meetings in 40-minute increments on Wednesday, April 1st. My expectation is that you have known about this in advance far enough that you would be able to log in and be able to communicate with us at that time. However, if there is some unforeseen circumstance and you're not able to do that, please communicate that to me as soon as possible. In terms of WebEx, whether or not you've used it before, I have created a short video right below this one here that kind of details what you should expect in terms of my email communication to you, following that link, allowing WebEx to access your camera and your microphone so that you're able to join our community at that point. Below the WebEx meeting is the lecture video for day 1. Day 1 of Module 3 will look very similar to both Modules 1 and 2. I'm going to ask you to go through that lecture video, complete what you are able to of the note sheet, and then leave the remainder of that for your team meeting on Wednesday before you upload that under coursework. As we move into the team meeting on Wednesday, you will each be assigned a particular task, as I alluded to. You will be designated as teacher A, B, C, D, or E. You are able to access all of those documents over on the right-hand side here. I ask that you would just download those, and then during the team meeting, you would be completing those and filling those out. And once that is done, then you will also upload your particular role sheet in addition to the note sheet. So let's go ahead and go over there into coursework and see what that looks like. Again, my view is slightly different than yours, but you can see that for Module 3 you have 2 different documents that I'm expecting you upload. The first is the note sheet that you're completing throughout the lecture portion of the video, and then also that team document that you are responsible for. As a group, you will complete 5 documents, but you as an individual student will only be responsible for uploading one specific document to MyUSF. All right, I think that does it for Module 3. Have fun. I look forward to seeing and meeting with you on Wednesday. Stay safe, everyone.